Hi. So today I'm going to share with you about the land acquisition proceedings. If you had been a victim of land acquisition proceedings, this video is for you. Whenever central or state government wants to acquire land for public purpose from private parties, that could be for roads or that could be for any special project or that could be for constructing dams. There could be many reasons. There could be many purposes of the public for which the government acquires the land. And you must remember that right to property, right to immovable property is a constitutional right. That is the right given to you by the Constitution. Rights are given to you by the Constitution, rights are given to you by the statute. That is the law that is made by the Parliament or the State Assembly. So, right to property is a constitutional right. So, there is an elaborate procedure for acquiring your land. Government follows that procedure to the best of their knowledge, and there will be many factors for that procedure to be followed, or there could be many factors that could cause obstacles in implementing that procedure. So today I am going to help you in identifying whether the procedure followed by the government is correct or not. There is a test developed by Honorable Supreme Court in Indore Development Authority case, followed recently in National Capital Territory of Delhi versus Sushil Kumar case also. It all starts, the land acquisition starts with the notification of the government in the newspaper. So before that some research work is done. I am not going into that research work. So it all starts with that notification, and it is a time bound notification. So what you must take note of in the twin test is that the notification should not lapse. If the notification is alive, then the proceedings are in continuation and alive. So how to know that the notification is alive? The notification is alive because if the notification lapses, then your land cannot be acquired. The notification has to be kept alive, and notification is made time bound. So the twin test for notification, to consider that the notification is alive, is that you must be paid compensation and you must be discharged from the possession. That is, the possession must be taken by the government and you must be paid the compensation. This is the simple twin test to be applied whether the notification lapsed or not. There could be hundreds of reasons, but you must focus only on these two tests. If compensation is paid and land is not acquired by the government, then notification is not lapsed. If compensation is not paid but land is acquired by the government, notification is not lapsed. You can continue the proceedings in the court. Now, what is an acquisition procedure? Briefly, I will say a notification is issued by the government that they are going to take the land. And once you have any objection, there will be an authority appointed by the government specially for this purpose. You must approach that authority and you can put forward your claims about price or etc. And they will pass an order, they will pass an award. And if you are not satisfied with the award, you can go to court. So this is the basic simple procedure. I'm informing you. It may be very complex procedure, but it is very difficult to understand for you. Therefore, I am informing it in a very simple way. So you can go to court and government will anyhow take it. If you are not accepting also for the public purposes and the larger good, it will take it by depositing the compensation in the court. Whether you want to take the compensation from the court or not, that's a different issue. You can agitate your cause of action, your grievance in the court. But government will not stop for you. Government will deposit that amount in the court and government will go ahead and acquire that land. So this is the brief procedure, and land acquisition always you must focus on how to get more compensation instead of objecting to the possession being taken by the government, because it will not stop. So you must remember that if notification is alive based on these twin tests, then the proceedings are alive. Hope I'm clear. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, kindly comment.